Hi, this is an example of a project where we streamlined the workflow in the sense that let me show you that the closed grievances, there are two tabs, active grievances and closed grievances. In the closed grievances sheet, you can see that there are two statuses, pending and WD. Now, if I go over here and if I select, say, for example, this row number 21, Kevin where I'm going to say that he has no merit. When I do that, then this row will automatically be deleted from here and it will automatically be moved into the closed grievances. Okay, things like that. So for example, there is also another thing, this submit grievances to company and submit grievances to employee. So let me show you the submit grievances to employee. But before I do that, let me make sure of certain things. So the violation over here is 9.5, and so when that is 9.5, what that means is it will try and fetch a subject from my drafts which has this email subject. So what it is basically doing is when the violation is 9.5, it will go into my Gmail drafts and it will search for the email with this subject. So in this one, this is the grievance notification, right? And then it will change all these grievance number with the value over here. So for example, the grievance number comes from here, and then the first name, last name, center, classification, all these things come from here. So it's like first name, last name. So all this, so when I do submit grievances to employee, so for example, I go over here and let me just, okay, so this is 9.5. So basically when the violation is 9.5, it will send the email with that subject, and also it will put the date over here. Okay, so let me show you. Let me also show you my sent emails. Okay, so in my sent emails you can see the last one was sent to test, right? And let me just change this one to my email, which is coffeesoftwareservices@gmail.com. Okay, so now if I do submit grievances to employee, what will happen is it will read the email with that subject and it will change all the content of first name, last name, grievance and all those things. It will automatically populate it and it will send the email. So let me just submit grievances to employee. Okay, and while the script is running, let me go back to my test email and you can see that this email has been generated. So how that email is generated is it reads my drafts and it gets the email with this subject and it replaces all this grievance number and first name and all those things. So you can see the grievance number, the grievant, and all those things are automatically populated and the email is sent. Okay, so that is the streamlining we did. Like when certain things happen, then we'll send an email, or when certain thing happen, we move the data from one row to another row while everything is dynamic. So over here, the violation 9.5, this is the subject. If you want to change anything, you can simply change it from here. Also, the email is automatically filled with what is there in the column header. So everything is dynamic.